factory. Wako na kampuni moja ya kutengeneza nguo ambayo inajulikana kama Rivertex. Hiyo ni kampuni ambayo imemilikiwa na chuo kikuu cha Moi. Na wao nia yao ni kuja kutusaidia ili tushirikiane. Nimemuuliza kwa heshima ikiwezekana waanzishe hapa Tseikuru branch moja ya Rivertex. Lakini itategemea kama tutatoa pamba hapa. This is now literally where the rubber meets the road. If we lift these people, we have lifted the whole country. Karibu sana.
Opportunity for Moi University to come here again. We have been here twice. This is the third time we are here now. Your Excellency, sir, what Moi University is doing now is jointly with Alexandria University, which we have an MOU with, we are coming here not only to do research, but to make those results to be useful to the residents of this region. Your Excellency, through the projects that we will start, this dry belt region, which we see, into a green belt region. That means what we will then do is to bring water from where to River Tana, and then through irrigation, we shall be able to provide water to the pieces of land that we have here, and people here will be able to have crops, and that will actually even be able to sell to other areas of this country. So we believe that the drought that is in this country now, the famine that is in this country now, will not be there in the coming years, because with the efforts that we are going to be putting in this place should be able to produce enough crops, not only to take care of the needs of the people here, but also to provide to the other parts of this country that needs food. So, Your Excellency, sir, we are beginning, and you will see us here and then, and you will see us back again with other projects. So once the irrigation project is done, then we shall bring in also education, because I believe at that time we'll be able to do more things. But for now, we are beginning with irrigation project that we have already started. We have already seen the piece of land that you have given us, and we are grateful. And as time goes, I'm sure we'll do more, and you'll see results coming out of this. So thank you so much, Your Excellency.